birthday, Matt.
Birthday to Matt. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Matt. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, Sean.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Dear Matt.
Happy birthday to you. Blow out candles.
Wow. Leah, say happy birthday to Matt.
Happy birthday, Matt.
See you in the summer.
See you in summer. I get to blow the candles out.
Okay. Blow out the candles. Well done. Go.
I have to go back.